Hello, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long. I've been off with some health issues, but I'm back now. I am in Suffolk at Deben Motorsport Fabrication for the second time. I've been over before and haven't filmed, and now we're going to do a seat fit in the Laguna. So yeah, stay tuned. So, very successful day. The door bars are in, tacked up, but they're ready to go in. Basically, we've just finished getting some gussets ready to bend in place and put the dimple dies in and stuff like that. So the harness, we have the locations of where we're going to be putting the eyelets for it all. We've worked out where we're going to be putting the pedal box. So yeah, it's we've got a lot of extra information now. The seat is basically in. It's very exciting. I think I'll be probably getting the car back end of May, beginning of June. So please don't expect it to be super soon, because obviously this is worth waiting for. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.